Hello, today I'm making my daughter's version of Bolognese. Her name's Becca, so it's going to be Becca's Bolognese, and it's quite different from mine, so we'll see how it turns out. I've got 500 grams of pork mince, 500 grams of beef mince, a grated carrot, a chopped onion, 4 beef stock cubes crumbled, 2 garlic cloves crushed, a jar of passata and 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, and then we'll finish it all off with some fresh basil. So I'm going to be cooking the Bolognese in the pressure cooker today. It's called a Pressure King Pro. Very, very useful. But I'm starting the recipe off in the wok. So I've got to sweat the carrot down in the oven first. And a drop of oil on a low light. Cook that slowly for a few minutes till it starts to soften. So that's softening now, so I'm going to pop that into the pressure cooker. So, in with the beef and the pork, and I've whacked up the heat because we've got to brown this now. Now, according to Becca's instructions, it's got to be 5% fat, because if you buy it with more fat, it's impossible to brown it. That's what she says, so I'm following her instructions. So we're going to keep stirring this now until it starts to brown. You can see that the meat's giving off some fat. Well, you've got to cook it until all that disappears, and that's when it will brown. All the fat's disappeared now. It's beginning to stick to the pan. So I'm going to add in the garlic. And the 4 stock cubes. Give it a good old stir. So now I'll add in the passata. Just rinse that out with some water. This has got basil and oregano in it. So those are nice Italian flavours. So now we add in the tomatoes. And bring it all back to a simmer. Meanwhile, I shall switch on the pressure cooker. So that's all ready now to go into the pressure cooker, and I shall cook it on meat for about 25 minutes. So The Bolognese is in there now, so we put the lid on. I can remember how to do it. That's it. Close the valve. I think that's closed. I'll need to put my reading glasses on, excuse me. Yes, that's closed. And then we set it to meat. And increase the timer to 25 minutes. So off it goes now. I can leave that to the very capable Pressure King Pro. So that's finished now, that's cooked. I'm just going to taste it and I'll add salt and pepper as necessary. So there you go, Becca's Bolognese. Can't wait to tuck in. See you later, bye.